Did you know the U.S. Army once used its own soldiers as human test subjects for 20 years? From 1955 to 1975, 7,000 American soldiers walked into what they thought were routine equipment tests. They were told they'd be checking clothing and gear. Instead, they became lab rats. The Army locked them in gas chambers, pumped in nerve agents and mustard gas, injected them with LSD and PCP without warning. Soldiers had chemicals rubbed into their skin to see how fast poison could kill them. Many never recovered. Memory loss, permanent psychological damage, bodies destroyed by toxins. When veterans tried to get help decades later, the Army had a simple answer. The files were lost. Congressional investigations in the 70s exposed the horror. But by then, it was too late for most victims. Thousands of American soldiers had been sacrificed in the name of chemical warfare research. The men who served their country became victims of the very institution they trusted with their lives. Some wounds never heal.